In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display your current local time on your GitHub profile. This feature is a handy way to let collaborators know the time zone you're working in, which can be particularly useful in global projects needing better communication across different time zones. Let's get started so you can easily share this information on your profile. First, you'll want to navigate to the GitHub dashboard. This is your starting point, where you can access all the repositories and account settings. Find your way there by logging into GitHub with your credentials if you haven't already. Once on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you will see your profile icon. It's typically either your actual photo or a default avatar icon if you haven't set a picture yet. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu that provides several options related to your GitHub account. From this drop-down, select the option that says Your Profile. This will take you to your public profile page, where anyone can see your contributions, repositories, and other activity on GitHub. It's essentially your personal snapshot for others on the platform. After you're on your profile page, look to the left of the screen for the Edit Profile button. Clicking on it will guide you to the settings specially dedicated to customizing your profile appearance and information. This section gives you control over various aspects of what others see when they visit your profile. Now, to add your local time to your profile, you'll need to locate the option that says Display Current Local Time. This is usually an option that stands out because it isn't one of the more commonly altered settings like your name or bio. Once you've found Display Current Local Time, go ahead and check the checkbox next to it. By doing this, you're instructing GitHub to automatically fetch and display your current local time on your profile for others to see. This setting doesn't require you to manually update your time if you travel. It does it automatically based on your device's settings. The final step is to scroll down a bit and click on the Save button. This is crucial because it ensures all the adjustments you've made are applied to your profile. Without saving, you'll find the setting reverted the next time you check. And there you have it. Your current local time will now be displayed on your GitHub profile. By following these steps, collaborating with people across various time zones should become much smoother. Thanks for watching,